Sujata, now if you've had the opportunity to speak to some of the staff at Shefali's residence or perhaps people who've come to visit her family, how are her last moments being described?
Well, certainly at this point outside her residence, though nobody is allowed to get inside except for the members of the society, but we tried talking to the security guy who was posted last night. As soon as he came on his shift, he saw that it was Shefali's husband who had just entered the society on his motorcycle, and after which around an hour later, he rushed Shefali to the hospital. Now this was very quick, and he though discussed about the prior moments where he saw Shefali and her husband coming on walks together with their pet dogs. They were very pet friendly, and like we see on social media, the couple often posted about how it was the pet environment that made them happy. Just the day before yesterday, Shefali was spotted with her husband just in the compound of the society where she was strolling around with her pet, and she was happy is what the security agent said. But also he spoke about how as soon as this news was announced and out that Shefali is no more, it was her family members and other relatives who started gathering at her residence, and they were continuously inquiring about her, and of course few of them being inconsolable. Now at this point, as soon as the news broke out, it was the other officials of the Amboli police station as well as the forensic team who immediately rushed to her residence. At this point, there were two of these mobile forensic units that were present, but one has just left a few moments ago, whereas one is still present, and there are these officials who are continuously coming and moving out of the society, and the investigation is currently on. Now the visuals that came in last night, we saw that the officials they went in with some diary and other instruments to get their samples collected, and as soon as they went in, all of the other family members were asked to remain in to inquire about the series of events, and after which it was also her husband who was in the hospital. Even till now he's still in the hospital, and once he comes back, it is likely that he too would be inquired about the entire situation and what exactly happened. Now the post-mortem here remains to be crucial to understand the main cause of death, and after which it is likely that the police too would be able to join the dots to understand and connect the forensic evidence with the series of events that have happened.
That's right, Sujata. Stay on with us. Let's quickly listen in to the chat that you had with the watchman who was posted last night.
कल आप 8 बजे यहाँ पे थे, फिर 8 बजे के बाद गाड़ी निकली यहाँ से?
गाड़ी तो निकली है लगभग 10 सवा 10 बजे। जैसे गाड़ी आई मैं गेट खोल दिया। गेट गाड़ी के अंदर क्या था नहीं था वो भी नहीं मैं देख पाया।
अब नहीं देख पाया।
गाड़ी स्पीड में गई, चली गई।
शिफाली उतरती थी नीचे?
परसों देखा था मैं।
शिफाली को?
हाँ, परसों देखा था। दोनों थे, मियाँ बीवी दोनों थे, कुत्ता लेकर के उतरे थे।
और जब ये निकले यहाँ से सवा 10 बजे, उसके बाद कोई आया? कोई अंदर उनके दोस्त यार को जाके पूछ रहे थे?
नहीं, तो 1 बजे रात में शायद कोई आया था। 1 बजे में कोई आया था उधर से, वो भी बुलेट से। बोले थे कि ये इसको जानते हो? तो मैं बोला हाँ इसको तो मैं जानता हूँ। बोला डेट कर गया, तो मुझे मालूम चला कि वो डेट कर गया। तो मुझे तो कोई कन्फर्म नहीं है किसी, मतलब यहाँ से मुझे कहीं जाना ही नहीं होता है। परसों में देखा था मैं, उससे पहले तो कई रोज तो नहीं देख रहा था, लेकिन परसों देखा था मैडम को उतरते हुए। दोनों थे, लेकिन कुत्ता था साथ में, और दोनों मियाँ बीवी दोनों थे। वो गाड़ी के पास खड़े थे। हाँ खड़े थे। फिर वहाँ से चले गए वापस। उसको पति को तो मैं कल भी देखा, इधर मोटरसाइकिल से आया। जैसे मैं ड्यूटी पर आया हूँ 8 बजे, तो 9 सवा 9 के टाइम में इधर मोटरसाइकिल से आया है। हाँ, मोटरसाइकिल लगाने के बाद ही ये गाड़ी से निकला है, इधर से आया कहीं से।